If you've ever tried to track your expenses but ended up with a dozen spreadsheets, random receipts, and zero motivation, you're not alone. But tracking your expenses doesn't have to feel like a full-time job. Today, I'm going to show you how to track your expenses without going crazy and share practical ways to make it easier to stay consistent. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Daniel Miller. I'm a financial advisor who helps families steward their wealth with purpose and generosity. And I've seen tons of different strategies to track expenses, and I'm here to walk through some of the most practical and commonly used ones I've seen work well for clients. Let's face it, most people either don't track spending at all, or they are burnt out trying to log every single coffee or Amazon order. You don't need a perfect system. You need one that's more likely to work for your lifestyle. So, how do I actually track my expenses? I will be giving you 3 flexible strategies you can start using today. Pick one that fits your style, and you can ignore the rest. Method 1, a weekly review. This first method is the weekly review. Instead of logging every single transaction, this method involves checking your bank and credit card activity once a week. Categorize the big stuff: food, gas, bills, subscriptions. This takes about 15 minutes on a Sunday night and keeps you aware without obsessing over every single penny. This is a great strategy for the people who only have a couple of cards, so analyzing transactions is relatively simple. This could get to be overwhelming if you have multiple cards and accounts, which brings us right to the next method. Method 2, automation with apps. There are a ton of apps out there to help you categorize your spending. Some banks have even implemented this into their app. All you have to do is go in and review and adjust. Set alerts for overspending, and now you've got a passive tracking method on autopilot. An option I often use with clients due to its ease of integration is Right Capital. This is the service I use with my clients, and I've found it to be effective with connecting accounts to make sure every transaction is automatically being fed over. All I need to do is log in, and I can see the breakdown of spending in each category for the month. Method 3, use a financial advisor. One method that has helped many of my clients stay on track is hiring me as an advisor. All of my clients have a budget built through the financial plan we designed for them. Using this method can be effective because it connects to all your accounts and can track purchases you can make and automatically categorizes that based on the budget designed for you by a professional. On top of this, you'll receive active feedback on your spending and purchase behavior every month and can get help to control it. My clients receive personalized emails every month where I will check in on their budgets and propose any changes based on their life circumstances. This option offers regular updates to help keep spending in line with your goals. Just like when you want to see significant changes in your health, you track things like nutrients, workouts, and calories, or you can hire a personal trainer to keep you on top of things. These strategies can play a similar role in supporting your financial habits. It's time to stop ignoring your purchases and take ownership over your finances. If you have any questions on these methods, do not hesitate to reach out. And if you are interested in a third method and would like to have a professional help you with your finances, visit my website for more information. If this video is helpful for you, please feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on making your wealth a priority. I want to reiterate that tracking your finances is the first step to building stronger financial habits, and it may seem overwhelming at first, but it often pays off over time.